Rule 130. Aray ko. Rule 130. Rule 130. Object as evidence. Object as evidence. Object. Section 1. Object as evidence. Object as evidence. Section 1. Object as evidence. Object as evidence are those addressed to the senses of the court when an object is relevant to the fact issued. It may exhibit, examine, or view by the court. Documentary evidence. Documentary evidence as evidence consists of writing or any material containing words, number, figures, symbol, or other modes of written expression offered as a proof of their content. Best evidence. Section 3. Original document must be produced except when the subject of inquiry is the content of a document. No evidence shall be admissible other than the original document itself, except of the following: when an original has been lost, destroyed, or cannot be produced without bad faith of the offerer, when an original is in the custody of the other party whom the evidence is offered, and the latter fails to produce after reasonable notice, when an original consists of numerous accounts of document that cannot be examined in the court without a great loss of time, the facts ought to be established, a general result of the whole, when an original is a public record, the custody of public officer, public officer. Section 4. Original of a document. The original document are those contents subject of inquiry. 2. When a document has 2 or more copies executed same time with identical contents, all copies are equal as original. When an entry is repealed in the regular course of business, one copied from another or the transaction, all the entries are likewise equal as original. When an original document is unavailable, has been lost or destroyed, or cannot be produced in a court by the offerer, upon proof and its execution or existence, cause its unavailability without bad faith on his part, may prove its content by a copy or Recital contains some authentic document or the testimony of the witness. Order stated. Section 6. Original document as adverse to the party custody or control. If a document is in the custody or under the control of adverse party, he must have reasonable notice to produce it. If there's no notice, after the satisfactory of its existence, he fails to produce the document. Secondary evidence may be presented in the court. 7. Evidence admissible when an original document is recorded public. An original document is in the public officer or is recorded by public office. The content may be proved by a copy issued by the custody of public officer. Section 8. Party who calls for a document not bound to the offer it. Party who calls production of a document in spec same obliged to offer it as an evidence. Number 3. Parole evidence. 9. Evidence in a writing agreement. When the terms of agreement have been reduced in writing, considered containing all the terms agreed upon. They can be between parties and their successors. Interest. No evidence such other than the document contents for written agreement. However, party may present evidence to modify or aid the terms of a written agreement he puts in. The issue pleading. A. Ambiguity, mistake, or imperfection of a written agreement. 2 is a failure of a written agreement to express the true agreement of the parties. 3 is validity of the written agreement. 4 is existence of other terms agreed by the parties in the interest of the execution of a written agreement. The term agreement includes will, interpretation of a document, writing, recording, and its legal meaning. The language for written agreement interpreted according to the legal meaning its bearer in the place of 11. Instruction construed as to give effect to all provision. The construction of an instrument where the several provision or particular construction possible to be adopted as will give effect to all. Section 12. Interpretation according to the intention, general and particular provision in the construction of a instrument. The intention of the party pursue general and particular provision inconsistent. The latter is paramount to the former, so the particular intent will control the general one. It's inconsistent. Interpretation according to circumstances. The process construction of an instrument, the under was made including the situation, subject parties may be shown, the judge may be placed in the position of those who language is to interpret. Section 14. Peculiar signification of terms of writing are presumed used in their primary general acceptation of evidence of admissible shown have a local, technical, or otherwise peculiar signification, so used and understood in particular instances, cause the agreement must construed accordingly. 15. Words control. The print instrument consists of parties of a written word, partly printed form. 2. Inconsistent former controls the latter. Muna ingon ni sir nga katong pag-read ang written o printed. Ito sa written. Section 16. Expert interpreters to be used in explaining certain writings when the characters in which an instrument is written in a difficult deciphering language understood by the court. Evidence of a skilled deciphering the character who understood the language is admissible to declare character meaning of a language. 17. two of two of two of two of two of two ito na of two construction which prefer when the terms of an agreement have been intended different senses by the different parties to it, the sense that prevail against either party, which he has supposed the other understood different construction or vision, otherwise equally proper, agree, which most favorable to the party whose provisions was made, construction in a favor of natural right, when the instrument susceptible of two interpretation, one in favor of the natural right and the other against the original, must be adopted. 19. According to usage, the interpretation according to usage, the instrument may be construed to usage in order to determine its character. Testimonial. Witness qualification. Except provided the next succeeding section, all person who perceive and perceiving make their known perception of the others may be a witness. Religious or political belief, outcome of the case, conviction of a crime, unless otherwise provided by the law, shall not be the ground for disqualification. Section 21. Reason for disqualification of mental incapacity and immaturity. Following person cannot be witness: those mental condition at the time the production of the examination is what they incapable of intelligent making, known as their perception. Children, those children of mental maturity such as render them incapable of perceiving the fact which examine relating them truthfully. Disqualification by reason of marriage. During marriage, neither the husband or wife may testify against the other without the consent of the affected spouse, except in a civil case by one against criminal case for a crime committed by one against the other. direct descendant or ascendant. Three. It's qualification, reason, death, or insanity, or adverse parties. Assignor parties, case of a person, those behalf, a case prosecuted against an executed administrator, respective deceased person, or against person unsound mind cannot testify to any matter. Fact occurring. Death of such deceased person became unsound mind. Disqualification by reason of privileged communication. The following cannot testify as confidence on the following cases: a husband or a wife during after the marriage cannot examine without the consent of the other. Any communication perceived and confidence during the marriage, except civil case against the other, or in criminal committed by one or another. As an attorney cannot disclose without the consent of the client to be examined or communicate by the client to him his advice given thereof the view of the professional employment. He cannot attorney, secretary, stenographer, clerk be examined without the consent of the client and his employer concerning the knowledge which has been acquired. Capacity. A person authorized practice medicine, surgery cannot in a civil case without the consent of the person examine or treatment given by any information which have acquired attendance and professional capability. Information was necessary enabling capacity with the blackened reputation of the patient. Minister. A priest without the consent of a person making confession be examined as a confession made, any advice given to him, his professional character, course, discipline, church and minister or priest belongs. Public officer cannot examine during the terms of office afterwards. Communication made him an official confidence when a court finds public interest would suffer. Disclosure. Kaya mo. 25. Parental. Filial. No person may be compelled to testify against his parent or other direct descendant, children or other descendant. The sixth, admission of a party. Declaration or omission of a party has a relevant fact given in him, evidence against him. The 7, compromise not admissible. Civil case, compromise, admission of any liability and is not admissible in evidence against the offeror. In a criminal case, except those involving quasi-offense, criminal negligence allowed by the law. Compromise accused may be received in evidence, implied admission to the guilty, a plea of guilty, withdrawn and accepted offer, plea of guilty to lessen the offense is not admissible, evidence against the accused who made the plea of offer. Kita ras mong liog eh. Offer to pay payment, medical, hospital, or other expenses occasioned by the injury. Admissible evidence. Criminal liability for injury. 28. Third party. The rights of a party cannot be prejudiced. Act of declaration, omission of another except wherein provided. 29 to 29. Admission by co-partner or agent. Declaration of a partner or agent, party within the authority during existence. Partnership agency may be given evidence against the party. Partnership of agency shown evidence other than those act declaration. The same rule applies when declaration of a joint owner, joint debtor, joint debtor, a person in interest, jointly interested by the party. 30. Admission by conspirator, act of declaration of a consent relating the conspiracy during an existence may given evidence against the conspirator shown evidence. Evidence to such declaration. Lapad na sa ulo eh. Takanin na pa ito. Ikalimot ako. Privities. Privities. Tinaga to? Privities. Confession. The declaration of accused acknowledging his guilt of the offense. Necessarily including may be given evidence against him. Similar acts as evidence that once did or did not do certain thing, one time not admissible to be identify, plan, system, scheme, habit, usage, and like. Unaccepted evidence of writing to pay particular sum of money, delivery written. If rejected without valid cause equivalent to the production of money instrument. Testimony. Person knowledge. Hearsay exclude witness to testify. None is a personal knowledge rather derived of own perception. Dying declaration 38. Dying declaration of a person made under the consciousness impending death, whether the death is subject of inquiry, evidence, and surrounding circumstances of a death. Ano ka balaw? Sanay ko. Gusto. 48. Ano ka balaw eh? The opinion of a witness is not admissible except in indicate of the following section. On 3.1 lang. 3.1 burden of proof. The burden of proof is the duty of the party presented the evidence on the fact issued to establish the claim of defense, amount evidence required by the law. Conclusive. 2. Conclusive presumption. Following the instances, conclusive presumption. When a party on declaration act on mission deliberately lead to another belief in the particular thing, upon a belief he cannot say any litigation arising out of the such declaration, omission, permitted, falsifying. Tenant permitted not to deny the title of the landlord. Retaliation of the landlord and the tenant between them. Dispute presumption that a person innocent of crime of wrong, that unlawful act was done with an unlawful intent. A person intends an ordinary consequence, voluntary act. Person ordinary care of his concern. Evidence willfully suppress adverse in a product. Money paid the another due to the latter. Deliver another belong the latter. Obligation delivered, debtor has been paid. The tenant's rents installment must be paid and a receipt letter is produced. Person possession of a thing during a recent wrongful act. Taker the whole act, otherwise a thing such a person possess, exercise ownership over the blah blah. Ano ito? Private transaction have been fair and regular, ordinary course of the business. Ikad pada na I cannot. Tang ina. Saan ako? both under the age of 15, older deemed to survive. Nasa dito mao. Inom na mao presumption of legitimacy. Dili pa to kung sakit akong last giingon. Salamat naman ko dito na ta sa last no presumption of legitimacy of a child born after 3 days following the dissolution of marriage. Separate a spouse whenever alleged legitimacy such a child must prove their litigation.